Hello, I am Kevin Edwards Cahill, Executive Director of the W. Edwards Deming Institute. On this day of global unity, we at the Institute wanted you to all know that we are thinking of you. The pandemic has touched everyone's lives. Some have lost loved ones, and all of us have felt the effects. But because of you, there is hope. We are so grateful to be a part of this incredible community. We wanted to say a special thank you to those of you who have shared your stories of collaboration and teamwork that will, quote, get us out of the crisis. People like Doug Hall, Eunice Garcia DeLewis, Balaji Reddy, Fred Warmbier, Don Berwick, and the thousands of people who are part of their organizations who are showing the world that cooperative thinking and action is what we need most right now. We also want you to know that we are here for you. While we can't get together as a community in person, we are offering more free online content than ever before, including blog posts, podcasts, and webinars. And later this year, we will be unveiling a new online learning program. Again, we're so grateful for your support. Our work continues thanks to you. Please reach out to us, not only to share your stories, but to let us know how the Deming Institute can help you through this time of crisis. As this is also a global day of giving, we encourage you to support the causes that are closest to your heart. If you would like to add the Deming Institute to the nonprofits you choose to support on this day, please visit our website at www.deming.org. Thank you and take care.